हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनीगन। मेरे चैनल ओमनीगन में आप सब लोगों का फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो टुडे अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन फ्रॉम क्लास 10 इंग्लिश फ्रॉम द डायरी ऑफ एनी फ्रैंक. It's a little complicated lesson. There are many informations here, many dates to remember, and let me assure all of you that I have made here a full explanation. In fact, almost a line by line explanation for all of you so that you don't miss any important point from the story, and it will help you for short questions and answers, also understanding the lessons also, as well as it will help you out for your MCQs also. Okay, so from the diary of Annie Frank, full explanation for class 10 English, okay, for both MBOS and CBSE. So without any delay, let us start our explanation. The explanation is going to be a little long since I have covered the entire story, in fact line by line. तो इसलिए आप थोड़ा patience रख के देखिए. Okay, have little patience and watch the listen to the explanation properly. Okay, so let us first have the birth and background. Okay, so in your book if you see, there is a section called before you read. एक सेक्शन आपके बुक में है बिफोर यू रीड. ठीक है, तो वो वाला सेक्शन में द बायोग्राफी ऑफ एनी फ्रैंक इज गिवन. ठीक है, तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा बर्थ एंड बैकग्राउंड मतलब थोड़ा सा एनी फ्रैंक की बायोग्राफी के बारे में थोड़ा सा जान लेते हैं, विच इज देयर इन योर बुक ओनली. ओके, so Annie Frank was born on 12 June 1929 in Germany. So you will have to remember all these dates and the places. Okay, so she was born on 12 June 1929 where in Germany. Okay, and she was a Jewish girl. ठीक है, तो वो एक Jewish girl थी. Her family moved to Amsterdam when the Nazis took power in Germany. Okay, Nazis मतलब हिटलर का आर्मी. Okay, Adolf Hitler का जो आर्मी है, the army of Adolf Hitler. Okay, Nazis. Okay, so her family moved to Amsterdam. एनी फ्रैंक का जो फैमिली है वो एम्स्टरडेम चला गया when Nazis took power in Germany. Now why did they run over to Amsterdam? It is because Hitler started killing the Jewish people actually, and she was and her family were they were Jewish people. So that is why in order to run away from Adolf Hitler, Hitler's cruelty, they ran to Amsterdam. Okay, when Nazis took power, when Nazis started ruling in Germany. ठीक है, then we move on. They were later trapped when Nazis occupied the Netherlands. तो बाद में जाके later on when the Nazis they occupied Netherlands, so Annie Frank and his family got trapped. उनको पकड़ा गया. ठीक है, उनको पकड़ लिया गया. ओके, तो due to increased persecution of Jews, Annie's family hid in July 1942. Now I already told you that Annie Frank and his family, they were Jewish people. Okay, so when the persecution मतलब killing, persecution मतलब killings, when the mass killing of Jews started, जब Jews लोगों को मारा जा रहा था by the Nazi people, by the Nazi soldiers under the leadership of Hitler, Annie's family had to hide. Okay, and so Annie's family hid in July 1942. तो जुलाई 1942 में एनी फ्रैंक का जो फैमिली है वो छुप गया कहीं जाके. अब वो कहाँ पे छुपा? सबसे पहले द फर्स्ट प्लेस वेयर दे वर हाइडिंग, सो दे स्टेड इन हिडन रूम्स इन हर फादर्स ऑफिस बिल्डिंग. तो उनका जो फादर जिस ऑफिस में उनके फादर काम करते थे, एनी फ्रैंक्स फादर, the entire family of Annie Frank were hiding in the rooms, okay, in her father's office building. ठीक है, and not only them, four other people also were hiding with Annie Frank's family. तो चार और लोग थे जो एनी फ्रैंक के साथ उनके फादर के ऑफिस में छुप गए थे. ओके, सो दैट दे आर नॉट किल्ड बाय द नाजीज. ओके, फिर 2 साल वो लोग इसी तरीके से रहे. आफ्टर 2 years in hiding, they were betrayed and sent to concentration camps. तो उनके साथ betray किया गया. Somebody betrayed with them. Somebody told about their hiding place, and after 2 years of hiding, they were betrayed. Okay, and they were sent to concentration camps. तो उनको concentration camps भेजा गया because they were betrayed by somebody. It was in this concentration camp only, it was here in this concentration camp that Annie's sister Margot died of typhus. Typhus is a disease. Okay, and in which place did she die? She died in Bergen-Belsen in 1945. तो सबसे पहले एनी फ्रैंक का जो सिस्टर है मार्गॉट, वो मर गई 1945 में. What was the disease? It was typhus. Okay, and in which place did Margot die? She died in Belsen. Okay, I do not know the exact pronunciation. It should be Bergen or Bergen. Belsen. Okay, so she died in this place, and within few days Annie Frank also died. Okay, कुछ दिनों के बाद सबसे पहले उनकी बहन मरी, और कुछ दिनों के बाद आफ्टर फ्यू डेज एनी फ्रैंक also died. Now their entire family died. The only survivor was their father, Otto Frank. Okay, माँ मर गई, grandmother also died, Annie Frank's sister died, Annie Frank also died, and the only survivor जो एक लौता जो उनके फैमिली में बच गया वो था ऑटो फ्रैंक. ऑटो फ्रैंक वॉज द फादर ऑफ एनी फ्रैंक एंड ही वॉज द ओनली सर्वाइवर. सिर्फ वही थे जो बच गए थे. ओके, अब Annie actually received a diary for her 13th birthday, which was 12 June 1942. तो Annie on her 14th, or I'm sorry, on her 13th birthday, Annie was gifted a diary. Okay, Annie को एक डायरी गिफ्ट में मिला उनके 13th बर्थडे पे. तो उनका 13th बर्थडे कब था? 12 जून 1942. प्लीज रिमेंबर द डेट्स. ओके, and she wrote in the diary until 1st August 1944 describing life in hiding. तो वो जहाँ जहाँ छुपे थे, whether it is Amsterdam, whether they were sent to concentration camps, whether they were hiding in her father's office building, everything, all the hiding things she wrote in her diary. Okay, and she wrote that diary till 1st August 1944, and she described her life that was spent in hiding. Okay, now Otto Frank, her father, actually Annie Frank's father, Otto Frank, actually found that diary, and after reading few pages of the diary, Otto Frank found it very valuable. Okay, so he found and published her diary as the diary of a young girl. तो उनके पिताजी जो थे ऑटो फ्रैंक, उनको ये डायरी मिला, और वो डायरी जब उन्होंने पढ़ा तो देखा कि कितने सुंदर तरीके से उनकी बेटी ने लिखा था. हर डॉटर हैड रिटन इन सच अ ब्यूटीफुल मैनर, एंड he immediately decided to publish it, and a name has to be given, no, for the book. Okay, it was to be published as a book. So the name of the book that Otto Frank gave was The Diary of a Young Girl. तो इस बुक से जो है एनी फ्रैंक का डायरी पब्लिश हुआ. एंड लेट मी टेल यू also, and it is there in your book also, that it was translated, this diary was translated into many languages and it became a world famous book. तो बहुत कम लोग हैं जो डायरी लिखते हैं, and that diary becomes a part of the literature. Annie Frank's diary became a part of the literature, and that is why you are studying this in class 10 also. So this became a part of a literature study only, and it was translated into many languages and it became a world famous book. ठीक है? And not only that, not only books, several films, TV shows and dramas, plays were also based on it. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे films बने, TV shows बने, drama बने जो उनके डायरी के ऊपर based था. Okay, and Annie Frank is one of the most famous victims of the Holocaust. तो ये Holocaust क्या है? This is not explained in the book, but I have given a short meaning of definition of Holocaust. Actually, ये Holocaust आखिर है क्या? तो Annie Frank was a victim of this Holocaust. The Holocaust was nothing but the mass killing of 6 million Jewish people. Alright, 10 lakhs is 1 million. So 6 millions means 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs Jews were killed together by the Nazi government of Germany under the leadership of Adolf Hitler during World War II. World War II में ये हुआ था, जो कि 1939 से 1945 तक चला था. This World War II ran from 1939 to 1945. ये second World War था. Okay, and actually Adolf Hitler hated Jewish people. Okay, according to Adolf Hitler, Jewish people are good for nothing. You know, he had many such excuses to kill the Jewish people. Okay, so there was mass killing of 60 lakhs, 6 million Jewish people by the Nazi government of Germany under the leadership of Adolf Hitler, and this happened in World War II, 1939 to 1945. And Annie Frank was a victim of this Holocaust only. Annie Frank इसी Holocaust की victim भी रही है. Okay, तो in case if this question comes on Holocaust, you already know Holocaust कुछ नहीं है, mass killing of 6 million Jewish people by the Nazi government. Okay, during World War II, World War II में ये हुआ था. अब आते हैं हम लोग full summary. Now I am going to explain you the full summary. अब ये full summary जो है, this is the diary of Annie Frank. The entire summary is actually the diary of Annie Frank. The entire story is the diary of Annie Frank that Annie Frank has written by herself only. So here the diary, in the diary, the speaker is Annie Frank. Speaker और कोई नहीं, speaker है Annie Frank खुद. ठीक है, तो हम लोग देखते हैं. Annie Frank finds writing in a diary a strange experience because she has never written anything before. So Annie Frank says that writing a diary is very strange for me. It is a very strange experience for me because I have never written any diary before and I have in fact never written anything before. मैंने पहले ऐसा कुछ लिखा ही नहीं है, तो लिखने का आइडिया एक्सपीरियंस मुझे है ही नहीं, तो राइटिंग अ डायरी थोड़ा सा ऑड है मेरे लिए. ओके, एंड वाई she writes a diary. Okay, she feels that no one including herself would be interested in the thoughts of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. So when Annie starts writing a diary, she also feels that no one will be interested. She is a 13-year-old girl, her age is only 13, and Annie Frank feels that a 13-year-old girl writing a diary, no one will read my diary. Okay, but still she writes the diary. Why? We will know this. Okay, हम लोग इसको आगे जानेंगे. But despite this fact, she knows that a 13-year-old girl अगर कुछ लिखता है, okay, then no one will be interested to read her writing. But still, she starts writing the diary, and she writes it because she has a strong need to express her feelings. ठीक है, तो वो ये डायरी क्यों लिख रही है? She is writing the diary because she needs someone with whom she can share her feelings. Alright? She recalls a saying, paper has more patience than people. Obviously, yes. If I go on telling now that you are watching my video, at one point of time you will feel bored and you will stop watching the video. Maybe after 1 day or 2 days you will again start watching my video, or maybe before exam you will feel the importance of watching the video. This has often happened with my channel. Okay, before exam only students come and watch my videos. Okay, and this is nothing new. It happens with everyone. Okay, anyways, so if you go on listening to me for 1 hour you will feel very bored. Okay, but you see that paper has more patience than people. Once you start writing on a paper, the paper will never feel bored, right? You go on writing and writing and writing, the paper will never feel bored. But if you go on telling something to any person, and if it happens for a very long time, then that person will get very bored. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा आप बात करेंगे तो लोगों को बहुत बोर फील भी होता है, लेकिन पेपर को कभी बोर फीलिंग नहीं होता है. तो पेपर हैज़ मोर पेशेंस देन पीपल. And she thought of it, and when she was feeling sad and bored, so actually you see she was in hiding, right? Now this is, in this diary she writes about her schooling, her teachers and everything. Okay, so you see that because she wanted to express her feelings with someone, that is why she thought of writing the diary. And whenever she felt sad and bored, she thought that writing diary will be a very good pastime. तो डायरी राइटिंग एक बहुत ही अच्छा टाइम पास मेरे लिए हो जाएगा. Okay, and the main reason she starts writing is because she feels lonely and does not have any close friend. ये एक बहुत ही important reason है. I asked you in the beginning only that why did she start writing the diary. First of all, she wanted to express her feelings. Now the question will come to your mind, she would have friends, she can easily express her feelings with her friends only, but no, she does not have any close friend. कोई ऐसा best friend, close friend Annie की नहीं थी. That is why she used to feel very lonely, and that is why she made diary her friend. ये डायरी ही एनी फ्रैंक की दोस्त बन गई. ठीक है, and she does not plan to let anyone read her diary unless she ever finds a real friend. तो एनी कभी नहीं चाहती, एनी never wants that my diary should be read by somebody. Okay, only if Annie finds a true friend, a real friend, a best friend, only then she will share her diary with that friend. Okay, but with no one else. Now Annie Frank explains that even though she is only 13, she is not completely alone. So here in the beginning you see this particular part, that she does not have any close friend and she feels lonely, but she is not completely alone. She has a family, right? She has loving parents. Annie Frank says that I am not completely alone. Though I said that I am alone, I am lonely, I don't have any friends, but I have a very loving family. Okay, मैं एकदम 100% अकेला नहीं हूँ. I am not 100% alone. I have loving parents, and I have a 16-year-old sister also, a family and around 30 friends. तो वो पूरी अकेली नहीं है, उनके लविंग पेरेंट्स है. 16-year-old सिस्टर मार्गरेट, जिनके बारे में हमने इंट्रोडक्शन में पढ़ा, वी लर्न about her in the introduction only. She has a 16-year-old sister. That means she is 13, her sister is 16. So 3 years difference. Okay, she is 3 years younger, Annie Frank. Okay, so और उनके 30 फ्रेंड्स है उनके टोटल. एक्चुअली दिस 30 फ्रेंड्स आर हर स्कूल फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है, ये जो 30 दोस्त थे उनके बेसिकली उनके स्कूल के दोस्त थे. इसका मतलब वो स्कूल भी गए हैं. शी हैज़ गॉन टू स्कूल, सो वी विल लर्न अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो. When she is with her friends, they only talk about ordinary things and never share deep thoughts. तो Annie is a very different girl. वो किसी normal 13-year बच्चे के जैसा नहीं है. She is not like any 13-year-old girl. She is very different. And when she is with her friends, they talk about very ordinary things. They never share any deep thoughts. And this Annie does not like. Annie wants to have some deep thoughts. तो एनी को थोड़ा सा फिलोसॉफिकल थिंकिंग्स, थोड़ा सा डीप थॉट्स, मैच्योर थिंकिंग, these kind of things Annie wished to talk, but her friends did not talk about all these things. Okay, nowadays you see, even maximum of the students, what they talk about movies, they talk about Instagram, they talk about TikTok, girlfriends and boyfriends. Okay, right? But philosophical talk, important talk on the country, on the nation, it is not there. Okay, absolutely missing. And she feels that they cannot get closer, and she feels that it may be her fault. So this is the reason why she says that I am lonely. I have 30 friends. Annie says that I have 30 friends, but still I am lonely because the topics on which we talk is not very deep. Okay, the topics on which the topics on which my friends generally talk are normal, very ordinary things. Because they do not share deep thoughts, so I cannot get very close to them. तो मैं उनसे बात करके मुझे मज़ा नहीं आता है. I don't like that much talking to them. And maybe she does not blame her friends for that. She actually blames maybe I cannot adjust with them. She feels that it may be her fault, that maybe it is my fault that I cannot adjust with them. But what to do? I am like that only. मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ. Okay, now she knows that this situation will never change. Okay, she does not like to talk about ordinary things, so she says that no, I cannot change myself. Okay, for my friends I cannot change myself. I am what I am. मैं जो हूँ मैं वैसा ही हूँ. तो since this situation is unlikely to change, she decides to start writing a diary. तो because वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ मिलके जो है जब बात करते हैं तो she is unable to adjust with them, and she knows she will never be able to adjust. So because this situation is not going to change, so she thought the best thing is that I will write a diary and I will make the diary my best friend. तो मैं इस डायरी को अपना बेस्ट फ्रेंड बनाऊंगी और जितना सारा मेरा फीलिंग्स है, मेरा थॉट्स हैं, आई विल शेयर इट विद द डायरी. ओके, देन instead of just noting facts, she wants to treat her diary as a real friend. So generally in our diary, what do we write? We write about, what happened today, normal things we write in the diary, right? But she does not only want to write facts. She wants to treat her diary as a real friend, and that is why she wrote each and everything in her diary about her life. तो हर कोई छोटा छोटा इंसिडेंट भी उनके लाइफ में होता था. एनी स्मॉल इंसिडेंट ऑल्सो शी यूज टू शेयर विद अ डायरी. Okay, and she used to treat her diary as a real friend, as if the diary is a real friend of Annie Frank. और उन्होंने अपने डायरी का एक नाम भी रखा. She also kept a name for her diary. Okay, she names her diary as Kitty. तो अपनी डायरी को वो किटी कह के बुलाती थी. Annie Frank used to call her diary lovingly as Kitty. So you will see in your book, Dear Kitty, it is written like that. Okay, हम जब किसी को चिट्ठी लिखते हैं, when we write a letter to someone, my dear, you write your friend's name. So she writes like that only, my dear Kitty. Okay, so Annie Frank's father married. So Annie Frank is writing, all these things are written by Annie Frank only. Okay, her diary started already. उनका डायरी यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है. यहाँ से तो नहीं, उनका डायरी एक्चुअली यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है. हर डायरी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. तो यहाँ से उनका डायरी स्टार्ट हो गया. ठीक है, और ये सारी चीज़ें जो all these things are written in her diary only. Okay, so Annie Frank's father married her mother when he was 36 and her mother was 25. Okay, this much, so you can understand, no need to repeat this. Okay, Annie Frank के पिताजी ने, Annie Frank's father was 36, Annie Frank's mother was 25. At that time they got married. Her sister, whose name was Margaret, was born in 1926, where in Frankfurt, Germany. and Annie was born on June 12, 1929. Please remember the dates. Okay, her sister Margaret was born in which year? 1926. In which place? Frankfurt, Germany. We remember the name of the places where her sister was born. And Annie was born in which year? Annie was born on June 12, 1929. Okay, तो 3 साल का डिफरेंस है उनकी उम्र में. Remember the dates once again. She lived in Frankfurt until she was 4. So 4 साल की उम्र तक वो फ्रैंकफर्ट में ही रही. She lived in Frankfurt till she was 4 years old. Then what happened in 1933? Her father moved to Holland. Okay, तो 1933 में उनके पिताजी जो है वो हॉलैंड चले गए. And sometimes later her mother also joined him in the month of September. Okay, तो कुछ महीने बाद after few months Annie Frank's mother also went to Holland to join her father. Okay, Annie and Margaret did not go with them. Annie और Margaret उनके साथ नहीं गई. There was life threatening problems. Okay, तो वो लोग अगर एक साथ जाते तो पकड़े जाने का जो है बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस था. If all would have gone together, then there would have been risk of life. So first father went, then in September mother went to Holland, but Annie and Margaret did not go. They did not take Annie and Margaret with them. Annie and Margaret stayed with their grandmother in Aachen before moving to Holland. तो वो Holland गई. Annie and Margaret also went to Holland, but not immediately. They stayed for sometimes they stayed with their grandmother where in Aachen, and after again sometimes they finally went to Holland to join both their father and mother. Alright, then Annie was sent to Holland in February. So here the date is given, the month is given that Annie was sent to Holland in the month of February. Okay, and was presented as a birthday gift for Margaret. Now here you have to understand. I'll just go back to the slide. Try to understand this thing. Okay, first Annie's father went in 1933. Annie's father went to Holland. Then after few months, Annie's mother, in the month of September, Annie's mother joined Annie's father. Okay, then Annie and Margaret stayed with their grandmother, and after some time Margaret first went and joined father and mother in Holland, and in February Annie was sent to Holland. तो सब एक साथ नहीं गए, एक एक करके गए. All went one by one, not together, because there was a life-threatening situation. And when Annie went, actually Annie was presented. It was the birthday of Margaret actually. Okay, उस वक्त जो है मार्गरेट का बर्थडे था फरवरी में. And Annie जो है, she went there and she was presented as a birthday gift for Margaret. So maybe Margaret had asked, so what is my birthday gift, mom and dad? So mom and dad said, we have a surprise birthday gift for you. And then Annie entered. And then mother and father would have said that, see, this is your birthday gift, your sister. So Margaret became very happy. Yes, Annie is my biggest birthday gift, my little sister. Okay. Anyways, you understood this much, okay? She attended Montessori nursery school and later joined class 1. Now, in your book, it is written form, okay? Form means class. If you look at your book, FORM, form लिखा है. Form मतलब class होता है, ठीक है? Grade या class, okay? So she attended Montessori nursery school and later joined class 1 until she was 6 years old, okay? तो पहले उन्होंने Annie Frank ने Montessori nursery school join किया और फिर later she was promoted to class 1. कब तक? Until she was 6 years old. Okay, जब वो 6 साल की थी तब क्या हुआ? 6 साल की उम्र तक she was in class 1 only. But when she reached the age of 6, okay, in the 6th class, her teacher was Mrs. Cooperus, and at the end of the year they had an emotional farewell. So when she was in class 6, her teacher actually, they were going to part. मतलब Annie and her teacher, they were going to part. Okay, they were going to be separated now. So when she was in class 6, her teacher was Mrs. Cooperus, and she was very close to this teacher, Mrs. Cooperus. So at the end of the year, when it was a farewell time, Annie cried a lot. Annie and Mrs. Cooperus, they cried a lot. दोनों बहुत रोए because they were going to be separated and they had to bid an emotional farewell. तो दोनों ने एक दूसरे को, Annie Frank and her teacher Mrs. Cooperus, both had to bid an emotional farewell to one another. दोनों ने एक दूसरे को एक बहुत इमोशनल फेयरवेल दिया. ठीक है, they have to be separated now. Now in 1941 Annie's grandmother fell ill and had a surgery. Okay, तो 1941 में Annie's grandmother had a surgery, she was very ill, so Annie's birthday was not celebrated much. तो Annie का birthday इतना बड़े तरीके से Annie का birthday celebrate नहीं किया गया. Okay, her grandmother passed away in January 1942. So finally next year 1941 her grandmother fell ill and 1942 her grandmother passed away. Okay, in the month of January 1942, and Annie became very very sad, and Annie always thought of her and loved her very much. So Annie was very close to her grandmother, and when her grandmother passed away Annie became very sad. Okay, so she always thought about her, and she loved her grandmother very very much. Okay, and she missed her a lot. ठीक है. Now then, in 1942, so after grandmother died, Annie's birthday was celebrated properly. तो अब जाके जो एनी का बर्थडे बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट किया गया. All was well. A candle was lit for her grandmother. तो वो जो मोमबत्ती जला गया केक के ऊपर, on the cake, I'm sorry, the cake has become spoiled. So on the cake, the candle that was burnt, actually that candle was in the name of her grandmother. Actually, I mean, it was done in the memory of her grandmother, not in the name. Like, name was not written, but it was done in the memory of her grandmother. ठीक है. As of June 20, 1942, which is the present time now. Now Annie comes to the present time. Okay, it is June now, 20 June 1942. Annie and her family were doing well. तो अब तक जो है Annie and his family was doing well. Their life was going good. There were no problems in their lives. ठीक है. Now Annie writes her diary. तो ये पूरा भी Annie का डायरी ही था. But then now if you look at your book, you will see that she addresses her diary as Dear Kitty. I told you the name of her diary is Kitty. Okay, and she treated her diary as a human friend, as a best friend. Okay. So Annie Frank's entire class is very nervous. Now Annie is writing about her school, about her teachers, about her friends. She is now writing here in this part of her diary. So Annie Frank's entire class is very nervous because the teachers will soon decide who will move to the next class and who will have to repeat this year. इसका मतलब एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो चुका है, exams had ended and now it was time for the result time. And you see Annie Frank and her entire friends, they were all very very nervous. They were all very very afraid because teachers will have a meeting, and in that meeting teachers will decide that who will be promoted to the next class and who will fail. तो कौन स्टूडेंट्स जो है नेक्स्ट क्लास में प्रमोट हो जाएगा और कौन स्टूडेंट्स फेल करेंगे, दे विल हैव टू रिपीट द ईयर. तो दिस मीटिंग, दिस डिसीजन विल बी टेकन बाय द पेरेंट्स वेरी सून. Okay, I'm sorry, this decision will be taken by the teachers very soon. So Annie was getting very nervous. In fact, her friends also were very very nervous. Now many students are making bets on their results. So some students are telling that no, I will pass. Okay, bet लगा क्या, शर्त. Okay, so they were having bet, and that too with money. Okay, so there were two boys named CN and Jax. Now CN, you might imagine there is a place, there's a initial called CN, there's an initial called GN. This is nothing but the initial of her friends actually. Okay, and she uses the initials. Like my name is Kalpara Chakravarti, so you can call me KC. तो ऐसे teachers को हम लोग ऐसे भी बुलाते थे. Okay, तो many students are making bets on their results. तो दो लड़के थे CN and Jax. Even they risked their holiday savings on the bet. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, वो holiday मनाने के लिए नहीं गए. Rather they saved money because they had placed a bet. वो उन्होंने bet लगा था कि ये पास करेगा, ये फेल करेगा, लगाओ शर्त 10 रुपया 10 रुपया का, 10 रुपये 10 रुपये और 100 रुपये, लेट्स हैव अ बेट. ओके, these students will pass, these students will fail. So they had a bet, उन्होंने bet लगा था. ओके, so from morning to night students keep debating whether they will pass or fail. तो सुबह से लेकर रात तक स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो डिबेट करते थे, क्योंकि उन्होंने बेट लगा है तो वो डिबेट करते थे whether they will pass or they will fail. And even Annie and her friend GN cannot make them stop. So Annie and GN actually tried to make everyone stop. That stop friends, no need to guess, no need to have any bets, no need to have any debates or anything. Arey, you will pass, so you will pass, you will fail, so you will fail. Okay, what is there to debate about it? But you see, they went on debating and debating, and Annie and her friend GN could not make her other friend stop from making bets and from making, from debating also. तो एनी फ्रैंक और उनके दोस्त उनको नहीं, उनके बाकी दोस्तों को नहीं रोक पाते थे, और अंत में उन्होंने कहा कि बाहर में जाओ तुम लोग बेट लगाओ, जो भी करो, पैसा उड़ाओ तुम लोग, इट इज़ योर विश. ओके. So Annie thinks that many students are not smart enough, and that is why they should be held back in the same class. Okay. So Annie Frank को ये लगा कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो स्मार्ट नहीं है, पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं हैं, दे आर नॉट गुड इन स्टडीज़, दे आर नॉट स्मार्ट इनफ, सो दे शुड नॉट बी मेड पास. तो उनको पास कराना नहीं चाहिए. ओके. बट अगेन शी फील्स दैट टीचर्स आर वेरी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. पता नहीं, we never know that the friend that we feel that she might fail in exam, suddenly in her result it is seen that she passed. So teachers are unpredictable. Okay. But she is confident that she and her friends will pass, except for maths, which she is unsure about. Even now also many students are very much afraid of maths. I don't know why. Maths is a very interesting subject. So she is very, very confident actually that no, I will pass, and many of my friends will also pass. But she has a doubt in her math subject. She feels that maths maths में fail हो सकती हूँ. I might fail in maths. Okay. And she is unsure about that subject. Annie, in her school, Annie has 9 teachers. तो उनके स्कूल में, Annie के स्कूल में, Annie has 9 teachers. 7 men, male teachers, and 2 female teachers, 2 women. Okay. And she gets along well with all of them. तो Annie का relationship उनके teachers से बहुत ही अच्छा है. Her relation with all the teachers are very, very good. Now, one teacher, her maths teacher actually, Mr. Keesing, okay, who is her maths teacher, he was the only one actually who often scolded Annie for talking too much. Now, Annie was a very talkative girl. Okay, Annie was a very, very talkative girl. And this teacher, Mr. Keesing, actually scolded her. He is a maths teacher, okay? And he often scolded Annie very much for talking too much in the class. Okay? So as a punishment, so one day the teacher became so frustrated that as a punishment, she gave her extra homework. ठीक है? तो as a punishment, Annie के teacher जो है Mr. Kissing, he became so angry one day that he gave extra homework to Annie. And what was that homework? He gave an essay to write, okay? And what was the title of the essay, topic of the essay? A chatterbox. अब chatterbox मतलब जो बहुत ज़्यादा बात करते हैं, one who talks too much is called a chatterbox. मतलब unstoppable talking. तो जो unstoppable talking करते हैं उनको हम लोग chatterbox बोलते हैं. तो in order to make fun of Annie, the teacher gave her a homework. Okay, write an essay on a chatterbox. Okay. And Annie also took it as a challenge. Annie ने भी उसको challenge की तरह लिया. Okay, and she thought very deeply before writing about the topic. She thought and thought what to write. Okay, so she started thinking about the topic, and she was chewing her fountain pen. You know, when we think something, we chew something, right? So she was chewing the top of her fountain pen, and she was thinking about the topic, what to write. And you see, she took it as a challenge, okay, and she wanted to give strong reasons for talking. Up, Annie wanted to write such points in the essay where she wanted to prove the fact, that talking is also important. Okay, that talking is also important. She wanted to convince the teacher, Mr. Keesing, that sir, talking is also very important. So she had to write, very convincingly as the homework. So you see, she wrote a 3-page essay arguing that talking is a natural trait, it is a natural habit of students, and that that means Annie, inherited it from her mother. तो एनी ने क्या किया, 3 पेज का एक बहुत लंबा चौड़ा ऐसे लिखा, और उस ऐसे में क्या क्या पॉइंट्स दिया. Some of the points are that talking is a very natural habit and it is very common among students. She gave this point first, and then she said that this talking habit I have inherited from my mother. तो मैंने ये टॉकिंग हैबिट अपनी माँ से इनहेरिट किया है, और टॉकिंग इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग, इज़ अ वेरी नेचुरल हैबिट इन स्टूडेंट्स, सो there is no problem if I talk. So she wrote all these things in the essay. And what do you expect? The teacher will scold her? No, the teacher did not scold her. Her teacher, Mr. Keesing, actually laughed after reading the essay. This maths teacher laughed very much at her reasoning. तो maths teacher को बहुत मज़ा आया वो reasons पढ़ के. And he gave her another essay. The another homework, okay, another essay homework, and this time the essay homework, the topic was an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible matlab someone who cannot be corrected. Actually, you see, Mr. Kissing thought that after getting that first essay homework, Annie Frank will come and tell sorry, but Annie Frank took it as a challenge and wrote the essay. Okay, so her teacher now became a little bit frustrated, though he was not angry actually, he liked it, but then the teacher again gave a punishment to Annie by giving her a second homework, that an incorrigible chatterbox. Because you see, even after writing the essay only, Annie Frank still, she used to talk in the class. Okay, so that is why he again gave the second homework, an incorrigible chatterbox, as punishment for talking again. तो एनी ने फिर से क्लास में बात किया, और इसलिए ये पनिशमेंट उनको दिया गया कि तुम सेकेंड ऐसे लिखो, इनकरेजिबल चैटर बॉक्स. दैट मीन्स अ चैटर बॉक्स हु कैन नेवर बी करेक्टेड. एक ऐसा चैटर बॉक्स जो कभी करेक्ट नहीं किया जा सकता. ओके, एनीवेज, बट हियर दिस टाइम ऑल्सो शी सबमिटेड द essay. She again took it as a challenge and she submitted the essay on time, and Mr. Kissing also did not scold her. Okay, तो दो lessons जो है, for two lessons, I mean first lesson also Annie was talking in the class, but Mr. Kissing did not scold her. Second lesson also Annie, again she was talking in the class, but Mr. Kissing did not scold her anything because she had written two very beautiful essays. तो इसीलिए दो लेसन के लिए मिस्टर किसिंग ने एनी को माफ कर दिया. ओके, बट हाउएवर इन द थर्ड लेसन व्हेन मिस्टर किसिंग वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग समथिंग, ही फाउंड एनी स्टिल टॉकिंग. तो जब थर्ड लेसन आया, मिस्टर किसिंग फाउंड एनी, शी वाज स्टिल टॉकिंग, एंड नाउ मिस्टर किसिंग, द मैथ्स टीचर, लॉस्ट हिज पेशेंस. बट देयर वाज नो स्कोल्डिंग, नथिंग, and he gave her another third new essay topic. तो 3 नंबर essay topic दिया कि quack 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 said mistress chatterbox. ओके, तो ये एक essay का टॉपिक था जो मिस्टर किसिंग ने एनी फ्रैंक को दिया कि इसके ऊपर essay लिख के लाओ कि quack 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 said mistress chatterbox. Okay, now the entire class laughed a lot when Mr. Keesing gave this essay topic to Annie. So Annie Frank's class laughed loudly and she also laughed. Okay, Annie Frank को भी बहुत हंसी आया ये टॉपिक सुन के. Okay, even though she had already written a lot about chatterboxes. तो दो और essay already Annie Frank had written. Okay, first essay also was on chatterbox, second essay was an incorrigible chatterbox, and now the third essay was quack 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 said mistress chatterbox. So Annie also felt little funny, okay, what kind of topic this is, but Annie again took it as a challenge. Now the problem is how to write this essay. So there was a friend of Annie whose name was Sani actually, okay, and this girl was very good at poetry. तो ये लड़की poetry में बहुत अच्छी थी. तो this girl suggested, okay, this girl actually offered to help her write the essay in verse. मतलब poetry में ये essay, this essay to be written in poetry. So Sani helped Annie to write the essay in poetry actually, to write a poem actually on the topic, not an essay. So Annie was very happy and excited about this idea. तो Annie को ये idea बहुत अच्छा लगा. Alright, Annie liked this idea of Sani very much, that yes, it's a new thing that I'm going to do. Okay, so he was very excited. So now Annie wrote. So Mr. Kissing had given her the topic as a joke. So actually this topic, quack 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 said mistress chatterbox, it was not actually a topic. Actually Mr. Kissing had given it just as a joke. Okay, but she wanted to turn the joke on her teacher himself. तो एनी फ्रैंक जो है बहुत चालाक लड़की, वेरी क्लेवर, शी वांटेड टू टर्न द जोक ऑन मिस्टर किसिंग ओनली। ठीक है, तो अब आगे क्या हुआ, शी रोट अ पोम अबाउट अ मदर डक, अ फादर स्वान एंड 3 बेबी डकलिंग्स। तो एनी फ्रैंक ने उसके फ्रेंड जो है सैनी, सैनी की मदद से एक पोम लिखा, और ये पोम के कैरेक्टर्स कौन थे, एक मदर डक, एक फादर स्वैन एंड 3 बेबी डकलिंग्स। ओके, बतख का बच्चा, baby ducks, okay, ducklings. So in the poem, what did Annie write? In the poem, Annie wrote that the father swan bit the ducklings. मतलब जो फादर स्वान था, जो फादर डक था, वो जो है उनके बच्चों को काटता था दांतों से, with his teeth he used to bit the ducklings because they made too much noise. तो कविता में ये लिखा एनी फ्रैंक ने। एंड मिस्टर किसिंग अंडरस्टूड एक्चुअली द जोक। मिस्टर किसिंग ने ये समझ लिया कि एनी इज नाउ मेकिंग फन ऑफ मी ओनली। आई वांटेड टू मेक फन ऑफ एनी, बट नो, ये तो उल्टा हो गया, एनी फ्रैंक इज मेकिंग फन ऑफ मी, एंड ही अंडरस्टूड द जोक। एंड बट यू सी अल्टीमेटली मिस्टर किसिंग एन्जॉयड द पोम वेरी मच। तो मिस्टर किसिंग ने ये पोम बहुत अच्छे से एन्जॉय किया। ठीक है, ओके, एंड he liked the poem so much that he read it aloud to the class and even shared it with other classes also. So Mr. Kissing liked this poem about the the mother duck, the father swan and the 3 little ducklings so much that he read it loudly in the class, and even he took the poem to the other classes also and shared it with all the students of the school. And after that, Mr. Kissing became very friendly with Annie, okay, and he never punished Annie. So after that, Mr. Kissing, he never punished Annie with extra homework again. तो कभी भी उसके बाद मिस्टर किसिंग ने एनी को एक्स्ट्रा होमवर्क के लिए कभी भी पनिश नहीं किया. And you see, instead, you see, Mr. Kissing, who was a very serious teacher, himself became so funny, so friendly, that he started now cracking jokes, and he became more friendly with the students. So earlier he was quite strict, okay, but now you see Annie's behavior also, you see Annie's manners actually, funny manners actually changed the teacher's character only. And now the teacher was no more strict. He would crack jokes, and he became more friendly with all the students. तो सारे दोस्तों के साथ, सारे बच्चों के साथ वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली बन गया. ठीक है, और इसी के साथ एनी फ्रैंक्स डायरी ends. Actually, Annie Frank's diary is not a very small diary. Let me tell you, the portion in your textbook is an extract only. एनी के डायरी से एक टुकड़ा उठाया गया फॉर योर क्लास 10 syllabus. Okay, but her diary is very big. So if you get hold of the diary, it is available online also. You read the full diary. It's very emotional also. Somewhere it is very funny also, like this part, but it is very emotional also. Okay, so I don't know whether all of you maintain diary or not. So if not, then I think, like Annie, taking inspiration from Annie, you can also maintain diary. You can also write diary, share your experiences, your feelings, your thoughts with your diary. Okay, and that will stay with you for a long time. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ the lesson explanation ends here. I'm sure you have understood the lesson very nicely. All right, so finally, please subscribe to the channel, like and share my videos, and please do like after watching the video. Okay, your like gives me a lot of motivation. I'm there on Instagram also. Please follow me on Instagram. You can scan these codes also. One is of my Instagram, another is of my website. Okay, so that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. We love from OmniGyan, and all the best to all of you. Thank you so much.